You want to keep talking? We have to go get our pictures taken. Because you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. We'll dress you up. And then Mommy has to plan your christening. Are you going to look so pretty in your white gown? Yes, you are. I love you. Are you so happy? Mommy's good girl. What else do you want to do today? Should we go for a walk? We have to bundle up. Should we do that now? Maybe we'll go for a walk. I think that's a good idea.